तो चलिए, at last I will revise whatever is being taken today. So we had seen that the Mendel's laws. So he is known as the father of genetics, Mendel. He studied so many characteristics on the process that how the characteristics are transferred from parents to offspring. ठीक है, how the characteristics have been transferred from their parents to offspring. So this process he termed as the heredity. Now this process is called as heredity. And when the characteristics are transferred from parents to offspring, the offsprings, in that offspring some differences they occur ना, ऑफस्प्रिंग में कुछ अंतर आ जाते हैं. इन अंतरों को जो है, these are called as variations. These differences which takes place in the offsprings, that is called as variations. These are called as variations. Okay, is it clear? So these variations, they are called as variations. These changes, these differences are called as variations. तो इस हेरिडिटी और वेरिएशंस को देखने के लिए मेंडल हैज परफॉर्म द एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑन पी प्लांट. ठीक है, दैट biological name of the pea plant is Pisum sativum. So he has performed the experiment to show heredity and variations on the 7 different characteristics, different 7 pair of contrasting characteristics he has selected in his experiment. So he has used the height, okay, then he has used the shape of the seed, then he has used the color of the seed, then he has also used the seed coat color, then pod shape, the color of the pod, and the flower position. These 7 different characteristics he has used in his experiment to show the process of heredity and variations in pea plant, how the characteristics are transferred in pea plants. So now the next question is that why he has selected the pea plant only for his experiment. Okay, so why he has used this pea plant only for his experiment. So for this reason, he has used this pea plant. So first reason is that easily availability on a large scale. These pea plants are easily available on a large scale, maybe in the crop plant, and in a crop field, or maybe in the garden also. These plants are being easily available on a large scale. Then second reason was many varieties are available with distinct characteristics. In a single generation, we can observe so many varieties in pea plant, and these characteristics we can see also. Distinct means we can also see them. These are easily observed and seen, the characteristics in this pea plant. So that was the second reason. That is, many varieties are available with distinct characteristics. Then third reason is they are self-pollinated. This pea plant, they undergo self-pollination. Naturally, in the normal condition, this pea plant, they undergo self-pollination process. And if suppose by chance, if suppose self-pollination does not take place, we can also perform the cross-pollination inside it. इसके अंदर हम cross-pollination भी करवा सकते हैं. But normally it undergoes self-pollination. So this was the third reason. And fourth reason is that pea plant, it has very short life cycle. You know, let's, so pea plant, it has very short life cycle of some months, few months, 3 से 4 महीने जो है इसकी जो है लाइफ साइकिल होती है. और इस कम समय में हम जो है उसके अंदर बहुत सारी वैरायटीज को ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो बाकी क्या होगा, अगर दूसरे प्लांट में देखना होगा तो हमको हो सकता है सालों तक वेट करना पड़े उसके अंदर वैरायटी ना रिजल्ट देखने के लिए. पर इसके अंदर क्या है, पी प्लांट के अंदर इसकी शॉर्ट लाइफ साइकिल कुछ महीनों की होती है, जिसके अंदर हम आसानी से कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को देख सकते हैं, ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. और हमको इसके अंदर एक ही जनरेशन में, है ना, एक ही जनरेशन में हमको बहुत सारी वैरायटीज देखने को मिल जाती हैं. सारी अलग अलग वैरायटीज जो हमको ये देखने को मिल जाती है. तो इन कारणों से, ड्यू टू दिस रीजंस, Mendel has selected the pea plant for his experiment. Understood now? Is it clear? चलिए, ठीक है।